Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're here with the Heng Long
Sherman M4A3
RC tank. Let's go and have some fun with this thing. We're in a really secret location. Where are we?
Well, we are currently in an undisclosed ex-military Thor nuclear missile base somewhere in Northamptonshire.
Oh my god!
That is all I can say. Or we'd have to kill you. Last bit. Yes. Oh! Oh. Just to show how much power this tank has.
Oh yeah! Guys, there we go. Today we were introducing a new product to the channel. This is a Heng Long Sherman tank, and we really enjoyed filming this for you today. I'm introducing Max to the channel. He's not been in any videos before.
Hello there.
He's part of the family, he's my cousin, and we had good fun today.
Yeah, it was a new experience to me. I was really impressed with how it held up, the amount of stuff it got over, and the power of this thing.
It's crazy fun as well.
I really enjoyed it.
I've never used a tank like this, and there's plenty other military vehicles out there. What other tanks could we go for?
Well, there's many we can choose from. We've got the Pershing, we've got the Tiger, King Tiger, Panther, Panzer, Churchill, Cromwell, you name it, there's an RC tank for it. So if you want to see more military vehicles, let us know in the comment section or give us a like, because I love military history and I love tanks, so I'd love to do more.
Thanks guys, thanks so much for watching.
Thanks very much. See you later.
Bye.
M4A3. No, other way around. M4A3. so close, so easily. I know your bloody tanks.
The RC Heng Long tank.
Sherman M4A3.
What's it stuck on? Oh, man down! That'll do. Outtake, outtake. Oh, I've got, oh, what's on my foot? What is that? Oh, that's a dog put. Oh man, is that? Broke a helmet off, and a fuel tank. Damn! Oh Jesus! Oh. Hashtag fail. Take 10. Which part is it? No, yeah, you are right, mate. I think I did it up too tight. Why? I don't know. I'll find out in a minute. Hashtag fail. Comedy.